the exact step that I took to create an income that worked for me 24/7, even on my flare days. That's right. The money did come in even on the days that my body said, heck no. When I first heard about automation, I laughed. How could that work for someone like me? No tech skills and no energy. But it actually became the shift that changed everything. And today I'm going to walk you through how I built my first automated system that brought me income streams 24/7. And more importantly, how you can do that too. If you ever woken up feeling like, how am I going to keep going with my energy going in and out? Well, this video is for you. I know how it feels to want stability without sacrificing my survival, because that was what I did. I was surviving, I wasn't living my life. I was a 55 plus old spoonie with tons of excuses and no energy. I didn't have any confidence at all, and I wasn't taking. I think, but what is this? Automation feels like something for the young and beautiful or the tech gurus, right? Not for someone like me or you that sometimes struggles to make breakfast because of the pain. But this was exactly what set me free. So grab your tea and sit here with me for a bit. I share exactly how I went from clueless to fearless and collecting income even when I was sleeping. Before we start, I want to encourage you to download my free Freedom Formula Blueprint down below. It shows you every step that I took to be where I am today. Shift number 1, from fear to curiosity. At first, fear had me frozen. I didn't understand all this stuff about funnels and sales pages. I barely understood how to use Canva. And for those of you who doesn't know what Canva is, don't worry. In my program, we show you even that. But instead of forcing myself to be an expert, I gave myself permission to be curious. I asked basic questions and I Googled everything. I used Google so much that sometimes my husband was a bit jealous and thought he was kind of my second husband. I watched one tutorial at a time and I took notes. You see, I treated all this tiny little task that I had as a puzzle instead of just feeling I have a test that I need to pass. And slowly my knowledge became confidence because I celebrated all the small wins, all the small steps that I have done and stacked them on top of each other. And that made me confident. Curiosity turned my fear to momentum. I was really finally building something sustainable, link by link, step by step, and task by task, one lesson at a time. And that brings us to shift number 2, from effort to systems. Once I understood the basics, I learned where to put my limited energy. You see, automation isn't the robots doing magic. It's the system that you create once and that works for you 24/7, even when you are resting. First of all, I mapped out my day and I was looking for the things that drain my energy. And then I built one simple email, authentic email, that was working for me when I was asleep. I think it was the affiliate system that I built next. And all that was is I was sharing the tools that I love. I was sharing digital products that I knew worked for me. And I wanted to show them to others so they can benefit from it. It's nothing more complicated than if I see a movie that I love, I call my friend and say, hey, you got to watch this movie because it's super duper cool. That's the same thing. You recommend the stuff you love, you use to someone else. And you get a percentage. You get paid for it because when your friend clicks on your link and say, hey, this tool could be something for me, they buy it and you get a commission. Each piece built upon the next one. So they did the work so I didn't have to be on the whole day. I did it in 15 minutes there, 10 minutes there, when I had the feeling for it, when I had the energy for it. Automation became my peace partner. It allowed me to rest when my body needed it without any guilt, and I could still see progress. And that leads us into shift number 3. From isolation to mentorship. Building something alone can be very exhausting. You need support. And to get to your goal quicker, you need a community. This program that I'm using is a big community that helps you on your way and teaches you everything you need to know to start your own online business, to make digital products, and to create email lists, and to run things on automation. It also taught me how to build my own community, so I did. I started my own community called Profit and Peace, and it's for spoonies. And just being in there, just being around people who gets you, and you know your fears and who knows your pain, but still have the same goals that you are. They also want to work towards time freedom, location freedom, and financial freedom. That was it. That was so important with this support. If you are interested in joining Profit and Peace, I dropped the link down below, so you can go in there. It's free, but you can be around people who gets you. If you are interested about the huge community that we have, it's inside our program. So just grab your Freedom Formula Blueprint down below, and it will show you the steps to take. This support that I got from the community, it showed me shortcuts without any shame. And my mentors helped me focusing on what mattered. No fancy branding or anything, but simple actions. So you need to surround yourself with people who normalize progress and process over perfection. As an ex-perfectionist, that was a hard lesson to learn, but I did it. You can do it too. That's the secret. When your energy is low, community becomes your fuel. And that brings us to shift number 4, our last one. From income to impact. The first time I got this bing in my phone, and it was as a little note says, you had got money from PayPal. I cried. I was lying in my bed, I was resting, and I cried. It was small at first, but it was a proof that the system worked. Now, I teach other spoonies the same system that I built so they can start their journey to time freedom, location freedom, and financial freedom, but on their terms with automation. No matter what energy level they have, no matter what age they are in, no matter if they are techie or not, I show them that there are ways to do this. I am the living proof. I spend 6 months a year on Bali healing my body, and 6 months a year in Sweden creating memories with my family. So I know this is working. That is what freedom looks like. Income built with grace on your terms, not any grinding. Automation is all about having choices. You can build an automated system that works for you, so you can choose if you want to spend time on the beach, taking long walks on Bali, or you want to spend time with your family, or your body needs to go to rest without any guilt. The ability to do that when you need that keeps your dignity intact. So, Spoonies, this is how I built my first automated online business. I built it with no skills and no extra energy, and so can you. It wasn't perfect, but it was possible, and that was good enough for me because I needed a change. I knew when I lived on Bali, I threw away my crutches after 2 days. I threw away my painkillers after 2 days. And then I knew I gotta be here. But I still wanted to see my family, so I skipped the cold month from Sweden, living on Bali in the tropical heat. Sorry. And then I come back to Sweden when it's summertime and I can meet up with friends and family. That's freedom for me. Remember, you don't need any more energy to start. You need the willingness. You need to change. You need to make the change, because if you want to change, you have to make a change. Otherwise, nothing changes. And you will perhaps sit where you are right now, 30 years from now, in the same position. And we don't want that, do we? I always say quitters never win, and winners never quit. So I want you to start living your life, not just being alive, because I know it's doable. I am the living proof, and I have a whole community telling me that this is it. You can do this. YouTube has picked up the perfect next video for you. Before you watch that one, consider to hit the like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any other video that I put out in this channel, because we always talk about location freedom, time freedom, and financial freedom, and how you, as a spoonie or just a person who wants something else in their life, who wants to make a change, you can do this. So until we meet again, have a great day. Toodaloo.